We're going to explain how to undo a Git commit. There are several ways to do this, depending on whether the commit is local or already pushed to a remote repository. Let's cover the most common scenarios. 1. Undoing a local commit that hasn't been pushed. If you made a commit and haven't pushed it to a remote repository, like GitHub or GitLab, the easiest way to undo it is using git reset. This command moves the branch pointer to a previous commit, effectively removing the unwanted commit from your local branch's history. There are a couple of options with git reset: soft, mixed, this is the default, and hard. Soft keeps the changes in your staging area, allowing you to amend the commit or make a new one. Mixed, the default, keeps the changes in your working directory, allowing you to review and make changes before committing again. Hard discards all changes, completely removing the commit and its changes. Be very cautious with and hard as it's irreversible. To use it, you would type something like git reset soft head 1, or show mixed, or hard, where head 1 refers to the commit before the current one. You can replace 1 with a higher number to go back multiple commits. After the reset, you can then use git add and git commit m, your new commit message, to create a new commit with the corrected changes. 2. Undoing a local commit that has been pushed. If the commit is already pushed to a remote repository, you cannot use git reset directly without causing issues for collaborators. Instead, you should use git revert. This creates a new commit that reverses the changes introduced by the problematic commit. It preserves the history, which is crucial for collaboration. To revert a specific commit, find its SHA, a unique identifier, a long string of letters and numbers, and run git revert SHA. Git will then open your text editor to let you write a commit message for the revert commit. After you save and exit the editor, the revert commit will be created, and you can push it to the remote repository. 3. Amending a commit. If you've just made a commit and immediately realize you need to make a small change, you can amend it instead of creating a completely new commit. This keeps your history clean. Use git add to stage your changes, then run git commit amend. This will replace the last commit with your updated version. You may be prompted to edit the commit message. 4. Interactive rebase. For more complex scenarios involving multiple commits, you might consider interactive rebasing. Git rebase, n, where n is the number of commits you want to interact with, opens an interactive editor where you can choose to reorder, edit, squash, combine, or remove commits. This is a more advanced technique, requiring a good understanding of Git's inner workings. Always back up your work before performing a rebase, particularly if you've pushed your commits to a shared repository. Remember to always be careful when undoing commits, especially git reset hard. It's best to understand these commands thoroughly before using them, and if uncertain, to make backups of your work. Using the soft or WASDIS mixed options of git reset is generally safer and provides